I've been chasing the perfect S58 exhaust for a very long time, and honestly, it's one of the hardest engines to make truly sound aggressive. But I think I found it. If you've been following my channel, you already know I've documented every single step of my build. We've gone from valve controllers to mid-pipe, axle back, and then to full catless downpipes. And just like my other videos, this one's gonna go pretty in depth. This video is about the Yonristic Vanta Gold Exhaust, and today I'm gonna show you guys how this setup might be the best S58 exhaust out there. I'm gonna walk you guys through a quick install overview, a close-up of their Aurum Flow core, which is a 3D printed section, insane drive-bys, in-cabin sound, and finally, I'll give you my overall genuine, honest impression of what I think about this exhaust. All right, so this is my axle back right now. It's from Mastery of Art and Design. As you can see, it goes in. And then we have their brace, which then goes into a resonated single mid-pipe. And then I go into their catless downpipes. So the biggest change we're about to see right now is in this section, you're gonna see that Aurum Gold. Let's get the exhaust put on and then we'll see how it fits. All right, we've got the entire system fully unboxed here. I want to take a quick moment to go over the quality. Starting with the tips, these are 4.5 inches in diameter, finished in a really clean satin matte chrome. Moving into the mid-pipe section, this is where things get really interesting. The first thing that stands out is their Aurum Flow core. This piece is actually 3D printed and you can immediately tell it's built with a high level of precision and quality. You can also see the valve module comes included along with their valve controller. In my case, I already have a controller set up on my car, so I'll be sticking with that. My installer also told me that the welds look great. Now here's a look right after installation, and the fitment is honestly spot on. Clearance is perfect all around and you can still retain the OEM brace with this setup. Taking a closer look inside the tips, you'll notice these small dotted details. Those are coated with high heat resistant material, which is a really nice touch. The muffler itself looks super clean. Here's one more look at the Aurum Flow core. This is what the car sounds like with the windows closed. We're just cruising right now. We'll drop the gear real quick from 8 down to 6 now. 5, 4, 3. Back to 4, 5. Like super comfortable inside the cabin. Pull with the windows rolled up. This is hands down my favorite exhaust that I've ever run. I'm not exaggerating, it feels like I'm driving something way more exotic. This exhaust is crazy, guys. The tone is sharp, it's aggressive, it's super raw, almost like it's an F1 inspired sound. Inside the cabin is where it gets crazy. It's my favorite part. I had someone tell me that it sounds like an E60 M5, so I'm taking that compliment any day. I know you guys are gonna DM me on Instagram and ask me if there are any cons. To be honest, the cold start is loud. I'm running a custom bend calibration tune where the startup is around 14 seconds, and let's just say my neighbors probably hate me. My advice to you, turn off the valves when you park your car at night. So when you wake up in the morning, it's gonna be much better when you start that car. Since I am running catless downpipes, there is a slight tone issue around 1.8 to 2K RPM, but I'm shifting through that range so quickly that it doesn't even matter to me. The car sounds so good 99% of the time that I am not willing to remove my catless downpipes. If you're running stock downpipes, that is not something that you're gonna have to deal with. Catless downpipes are just known to cause that little bit of tone fluctuation within that range, so it is what it is, and it's something you gotta live with. I don't see myself changing the setup anytime soon, unless I do something crazy like a single big turbo. Final verdict, if you guys want your S58 to sound like a beast, this is the move. There's only so much the video can do in terms of allowing you to experience this exhaust. Man, you just gotta see this in person. So if you're local, let me know, we can link up, you can see what it sounds like. And if you guys have any questions, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about the exhaust. And if you're enjoying my channel, guys, drop me a like, subscribe to it, it helps me grow. And with that said, I will see you guys on the next video.